The stock market is rigged. We're looking at SPY, September 4th, 2024, using Rigged AI. And this was a weird session. And here's why. Volume, you can see it here in the purple line. We went a little bit over 110%, under 100. We got a ridiculous number of alerts. 55 bulls, 55 bears compared to 8 and 14 on QQQ. When you get in this like 100 to 110% volume range, it's really unclear what's going to happen. And that was basically it today. The most important thing is just knowing like if you're late. So this alert comes in and this, does eventually win pretty nicely. 43% win rate, 39% in the last 30 days. But when you're looking at it, right, you're already up 2 strikes from the blue line. You are late. Jolts or whatever dropped right here at 10. Boom. Perfect. Right? Because you get the move down, you get the alert that tags it, and you get 111%. But this is like the most important thing, right? When we're at this level of volume, we do not expect to really push past this 3-strike range, which is 553 to 554. So when all of these alerts come in, right, you're already in the red. And the win rate here, 50%, last 30 days, 27.27. Not great. And they don't win, right? They don't win, but you got to just look at the red. Like you are high up. Just wait until it gets lower. Maybe you could have taken this one here, right at 553. Hopefully it goes. The max gain is nothing. You stomp out, you lose 20%. That's fine. We always need to consider the position, right? Always consider the position. We look at the open. Just moved up a lot. Let's wait. Oh, we just nuked. What's happening next? And then it goes, okay? That was basically the session on SPY. You got a ton of bears here. And then they ended up closing it right at 551, 1 strike higher. Ultimately, the best alert is right here. There's a lotto. And this is like a new feature. We're working on fixing it right now. 1505, this thing fires off for the 551 call option. Max gain, 260%. But this is the cool thing. And right now, this is tracking the wrong strike. We're going to get that fixed. 32.48 is the drawdown. Low is 18. KTR for this is 19 to 21. If you bought 19, obviously you never hit a 20% drawdown, and the high is 99 cents. So your return is just like overall an extremely difficult session. The Komodo bombs were late up here, got absolutely crushed. You had to be a pro to really crush it today. Because if you're a pro, you see this move up right here, 12.15 to what is this, 12.36. It's going up without bombs down here, not cleanly tagged. You're right at the edge of 3 strikes, classic 3-strike rule. You get a bear, and man, the win rate last 30 days, 63.64%. Overall 35, p-value 0. But this is a perfect trade because there's no drawdown, 4%, and it goes to 195, 73.28% if you just bought and held. And it's like, look how cleanly that was tagged. The other thing to remember is like on this down move, right, the blue is 550. You open 14 cents higher. If you do not nuke below it and it doesn't hit like, 548, 2 strikes down like quickly, you are going to get killed, especially when volume looks like this. And that's what happened today. They closed it one strike higher. It was nothing. Don't force it. Normal. It was unclear. Unclear strategy. QQQ, absolutely terrible. One alert. What does this go for? Ooh, nothing, because it bounced the next second. You know, it's 100% here if you use KTR, but like no Komodo bombs here after the JOLTS report. Just junk. Don't force it. IWM, we took an IWM 214 call and ran it all the way up to 215. Absolutely incredible. We love this alert. We just took it a little bit later. And up here, it's like, you're late. You're late. We posted in Discord. We're trying it again right here. It was an okay trade. Could have been a lot better. And then went to the gym because didn't really want to mess with the rest of the session. But mean reversion. You go up, you go down. That's all there was. I think with NVIDIA, that's like even crazier. Look at that. NVIDIA, since it trades with $1 strike prices, 3 strike rule, man. You get up to 4, whew, get out of that thing. This is a great trade. Oh my God, 75%, no drawdown. Perfect. Mean reversion, right back to the blue. That was the session. You know, hopefully it gets better tomorrow. I mean, we had an epic session yesterday with that nuke that was cleanly tagged. Who knows what'll happen? Can't wait for it, though. I hope you all keep it extra frosty.